Hi, my name's Morgan Shaler.
And I'm Aileen Donahue. Today, we're going to see the difference in boys and girls lacrosse equipment.
Girls and boys lacrosse may have more differences than you think. One of the main differences is the equipment used in the game. The first difference we see is padding. Boys will wear helmets, chest pads, and arm pads, along with highly padded gloves. Girls do not wear padding. The next difference is the lacrosse ball. The official ball in girls and boys games have a similar weight and size, but they're different colors. The girls' ball is yellow and the boys' is white.
The next difference seen is the sticks. This is a minor difference, but the head of the girls' stick has less pockets compared to the boys'. There is, however, no difference in the goalie stick. Finally, the boys will wear helmets and the girls will wear goggles. Both teams will wear mouth guards.